Hello friends, welcome back. Today's vacancies are for transport company in Saudi Arabia. This is the urgent requirement for Saudi Arabia, and here are the vacancies for all the fields. So the first vacancy is for cleaner, and the number of vacancies are 15, and the salary is being given for this job is 800 plus 200 food plus 300 Saudi riyal. Now the second vacancy is for workshop helper, and the number of vacancies are 20, and the salary is being given for this job is 800 plus 200 food plus 300 Saudi riyal. Third vacancy is for car washer, and the number of vacancies are 10, and the salary is being given for this job is 800 plus 200 food plus 300 Saudi riyal. Now the fourth vacancy is for loading and unloading, and the number of vacancies are 10, and the salary is being given for this job is 800 plus 200 food plus 300 Saudi riyal. Now the fifth vacancy is for T-boy, and the number of vacancies are 5, and the salary is being given for this job is 800 plus 200 food plus 300 Saudi riyal. You should have experience in this all the fields, and also you should know how to work for it. Here are some job descriptions for all this job. The first one is the age criteria for candidates is 21 to 30 years. The candidate should be physical fit, and also candidate should know basic English. And also you will get overtime here, and food, accommodation, transportation, medical, insurance. These all the things are free for you. And also candidates should have completed 2 doses of Covishield. You have to work 6 days in a week and 9 hours in a day. There will be 3 shifts. You can choose anyone as your suitable time, and also you will get overtime here. So friends, if you are interested for this job vacancy, so please call to our team members on given number. They will guide you, and also they will give you complete information for this job process. So call to our team members as soon as possible, so then we can conduct your interview. So friends, if you are new on this channel and still you haven't subscribed it, so subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon, so then our every new video will come to you first. So thanks for watching and all the best.